guys, welcome back to my channel. Quit talking about my armpits, I'm recording, okay?
Hey guys, my name is Ariel Ramsey. And thank you for coming
I'm sweating.
Thank you for coming to my channel. Hey guys.
Okay, so if you are not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and no. Okay, so we are going to do a haul today on stuff that I do not need, but I have purchased over the last couple of months, over the last month. Some of it I have already used on my channel, but I just wanted to do like a little haul of products and stuff that I like. And so I'm going to put blabbing and we're going to get into the video. And don't forget to subscribe. We went to Walmart today. I had to pick up my contacts and I seen this cute little contact case. I've never seen one this pink before. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. It's like a really hot, vibrant pink. Anyone that knows me knows that I am obsessed with the color pink. Yeah, so I bought that. It was like $2 at Walmart. Also got another palette from Hush. I have a video on Hush products that... Kylie, are you okay? But I have tried like an eyeshadow look on it and they were approved. Like they worked amazing for the price. They worked really good. So this almost looks like the, I think it's Anastasia palette. I'm not sure the name of it. I can't, I just messed one up. I just stuck my finger in it. Look. Oh my god. There's been food in the corner of my mouth this whole time, Kyle. What else is new? Look.
It always is. What you mean?
I'm so embarrassed.
Food mouth sticky pit.
So yeah, this is $12, hush.com. I will leave a link to it below if you guys are interested. It's not affiliate. I don't have any kind of affiliate codes yet. I'm nowhere near there yet. But maybe one day I'll be there. And the next thing is from Sephora. I got, it's a little Morphe package. Ooh. It almost looks like, I don't know what it looks like. But I figured I'd get this for my clients at school so I don't have to use my makeup brushes. And yes, I still use Set of My Secrets for my brushes. I just don't like using my brushes on other people. I know you can sanitize them, but I just want like my own little set, I guess. And this was super duper cheap. It was like $25 for all these brushes, and they're Morphe, so they're, me personally, I just love Morphe brushes. If you watch my videos, you already know all about the Jaclyn Hill palette because I just recently did a video on making a look with this bad boy. But if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it below and you can watch it after this one. Kyle, stop. If only you knew what was going on right now behind this camera. These are the Jaclyn Hill palette colors. Very beautiful. You can get all kinds of looks out of these because you got, you know, the blues, the pinkish colors, orange, yellows, purples. So many options. Winter, spring, fall, you get it all. Also at Sephora, I got some little ColourPop pigments. These are $5 a pop. Okay, so if you watched my other video with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I did a review on these as well. I only did a review on this purple right here. And this is color Lace. It had so much fallout, it was ridiculous. I had a very, very bad experience with these colors. This one I just used on my friend's daughter for a dance recital, and it actually worked really well. So that one I do highly recommend because it looked really pretty. Shock Shadow, and like I said, they're only $5 at Sephora. I mean Ulta, sorry. I went to Cosmoprof.
Cosmoprof.
Yeah, Cosmoprof. I went there.
That's the reason why you're gonna get famous.
I went there about a week ago to dye my hair. I made a video about that, but I haven't posted it yet because my camera ran out of storage, so I had to delete some footage and I ran out of time. I made like a really fast get ready with me routine, and I tried to film what I got that day, but it was just not a good video, so I didn't post it. So I'm just going to show you what I got from there. If you know me, you know I have been living it up purchasing Redken products. I have like everything Redken now. I never really were into hair products, so I went to hair school, and I'm trying to expand my options with hair products. So I heard Matrix is really good, so I bought some Matrix Total Results 20. It's supposed to have 20 benefits in one package. To me, it sounds exactly like the One United 25 benefits by Redken. Now obviously there's a huge size difference, and I believe they are both the same price. I haven't noticed one working better than the other one. I think the Redken actually might smell better, but the Matrix has cuter packaging. But if you guys just want to know how a certain product works on the hair, and if you want any advice about your hair, please feel free to message me. I will be gladly to answer your questions, because I got you. I would love to buy those hair products and test them out for you. Okay. The next thing I got from Cosmoprof is this wet brush. I have been using the crap out of it, and if you know me, you know I love brushes, and this is like this really pretty, really like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a purple pink. It's really, really pretty, and it just glides to the hair. It doesn't break off split ends, and it's made, you know how you get out of the shower and your hair is like really wet and tangled, and it's just really, really hard to brush your hair out without ripping your hair out? This is what this brush is made for. It just glides through your hair so seamlessly, and you can also buy these at Sally's. I had to get some Joico 20 volume.
Kylie, get down.
Normally I put a level 5 on my roots, so my roots aren't like super duper bright, but I just figured why not, because my hair fades so fast, and it didn't turn, like my roots were not bad at all. Since it was such a dark purple, it didn't really matter what developer used on my roots, let's just say that. Last thing I got at Cosmoprof is this kind of like, it almost looks like a sexy type of apron. I have a different type of apron that I've been wearing every day since October, and it's getting like really dirty. And I just feel like some outfits would look a lot cuter with a tie around type of apron. Hopefully they don't say anything, because they do have aprons you're supposed to wear, but some people have been buying their own because they ran out of the ones that they normally did wear, and just the ones that they have are really thick textured and hot and just not cute at all. They have these for $16.99 at Cosmoprof, and it comes with a little Cricut blending brush for hair color.
Get in here now.
It has a little pick so you can part out the hair. But it's really light textured. It has a little adjustable strap, and there's hair on it. But only one side adjusts. Like this side doesn't adjust at all. It's just that. And it has 2 pockets. No, it has 3 pockets. Here, right here, and it has this little baby pocket for your scissors, I guess. I also wanted to show you guys my Triumph professional hair dryer. I got this a while ago, but I kept the box. I just wanted to show you what it looked like unboxing it, because I love this blow dryer. Doubts about this dryer, because I heard a lot of people saying that they pay people to advertise their products, and then I also heard a lot of good things because my friend has a curling wand from them, and she said it works really good, and I purchased a wand as well, and I got that, and it worked really pretty good. My hair is hard to curl, and it would curl my hair. So when I got my wand, I was like, okay, this thing might be pretty good. So I got it, and I was super duper excited, and I started using it, and it literally did dry my hair in like 10 minutes, maybe less than 10 minutes. But that's towel dried hair. It's not like super soaked hair or nothing. But if you're a hairstylist, you do want to invest in like a good blow dryer, because the faster you can blow dry, the more clients you can get, and that's more money in your pocket. They do have good blow dryers at Tjmax. I don't know why I didn't think about buying one from there, but I seen this online, and are pretty much always on sale. This was $100, so kind of pricey. That was back when I had my tax money. The only disadvantage of this blow dryer is it's already getting dirty, because it's like it's a rose gold trim, and it's like a really pale pink, but there's like already like kind of stains. I don't know if the camera is picking up on it or not. There it goes. It's still really, really pretty. I haven't tried washing it off yet, which I'm sure will help it a lot. And it comes with one diffuser. It just steps on, it turns if you want, and it has a cool spot buttons down here. And supposedly they are in the spot where you accidentally, you know, press the different button and it turns it off. I haven't had any accidental switches where it like switches heats or modes, so that is a really, really good option with this blow dryer, and it just fits so perfectly in the palm of your hand, and it's just super duper light, which is also amazing. It also has this little padding right here, and really, really cute packaging, super cute. The wand came in smaller packaging, almost just like this. It was really, 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 really adorable. And I also wanted to talk to you. I know my first video with my new camera was about Scentbird, and I had a lot of negative stuff to say about them, which I'm really regretting now, because they hooked me up. I emailed them and they emailed me back and said that you know, we're sorry about your inconvenience. We are going to mail you another Versace is what it was. So I was just thinking they were going to mail me, you know, a replacement for my broken one. But they they mailed me both perfumes that I got last month. And this isn't including the ones I'm supposed to get this month, which I'm really excited. They smell so good. So once again, that's what the packaging looks like. So these are the two smells that they sent me, which are the exact same ones I got last month. This one, they both smell so freaking good. I don't even know which one I would want a full bottle of, because they both smell so amazing. I also got this little cheetah makeup bag. It's Juicy Couture. It said it was originally $28, and I got it from Tjmax for $9.99. So it's really, really cute. I've been shoving all of my crap in here. It's so big. I have a makeup bag within my makeup bag, like all my little space. So much space, so cute. I also thought about putting my like makeup for school in here, but that's another video, because I have like my own little makeup thing for my makeup for school. So many little bags. Like, I really need to stop. Like, I am the bag diva, especially juicy bags. I love juicy bags. This little flower from Tjmax whenever I was shopping for Mother's Day presents for my mom. This was $14.99. It is so cute. I just love the glass base and the pink and light pink rose petals. I keep it behind me back here on that little shimmery mat. I think it just really glistens with that mat and just puts a pop of color behind me when I'm recording. Yeah, I love it. It's so cute. I thought about getting one like this for my mom as well, but she's got enough. I spend a lot of money on my mother. So the last thing I want to show is my Mother's Day present to my mom, what I got her. So if you're watching this, don't look, because you'll know what you got. So I got this cute little, what's it say? To the Best Mom bag. This is from Walmart. So cute, pink, sparkly, very girly. And I got this little fluffy pom-pom thing to go on the top. I'm not exactly sure how these go on here. But I just love getting presents for my mom. I love her so much. So we did get, well, I got her this. This is from Tjmax. I think it was $7.99. It looks like a shoebox. But you open it, and it's a cup that says Queen of the Castle, And I got one for myself, so we have matching cups, like for when we go to the gym together. We were going to the gym a lot last year during the fall season, but we kind of stopped going, and I'm really wanting to start going again, but I just think she'd love it. And I always get my mom hair products because, you know, she really needs like good hair care. She's getting older and her hair is getting more dry, and so I just feel like since I can get discounts, I just really want to help her out and get her the hair products she needs. And since, you know, I'm her hairstylist, I know what's best for her. Okay, so I got her the All Soft Conditioner by Redken. Why is that so bright? The All Soft Shampoo as well. I don't know why that's not focusing. It's like so bright. Her hair is currently not dyed, so I just figured I'd get her something to help the moisture, or help put moisture back in her hair, so whenever I do dye her hair again, her hair will be, you know, nice and enriched with proteins, and it'll be ready to be processed and not damage it. Last thing I got her is this little purple Essie nail polish. She does not get her nails done like I do, so I know she loves like periwinkle purple, just really bright purple, like my walls. She likes purples like that, so I figured she'd love that nail polish color, which I know she will. That is it for this haul, for this video. Pretty sure that's all the things I wanted to show you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my videos. I try and upload at least once a week, and yeah, let me know if you like this video and if you want to see more haul types of videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys, thank you for watching.